Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Sangkauni. My student number 21 20 60 31 56. SPS for class. Sporting lecturer Mrs. Yuli Asmala Kurnia, SPD MA. Facultas of Islamic Economic and Business. In this video, I will read an article about the system of the economy of Indonesia. The system of economy of Indonesia is a democratic system that means national economy as realization of the philosophy of Pancasila and 1945 Indonesian Constitution, basically on kinship and togetherness for all the citizens under the leadership and the control of the government. Pancasila and Indonesia Constitution 1945 are ideal principle of Indonesian economic system. The characteristics of economic democratic system are as follows. 1. Economic matters are formed as a joint exertions based on together. 2. Important branches of production for the state and the need for livelihood the Indonesian nation are dominated by the state. 3. Earth, air, and nature resources or nature will are dominated by the state and used for the prosperity of all Indonesian nation. 4. Proprietary right is recognized by the state and may not be contradictory to the interests of society. And 5. The poor and abandoned children have the right to get social gratuity, which must be avoided, among others, are as follows. And free-fight liberalism, namely to exploit humans and another nation.
Statism system that give the government opportunity to dominate economic matters will kill the potential and the creativity of society. And 3. Monopoly system which focus on the domination of economy for certain group or parties will inflict cession. In this world, the economic system can be divided into three systems, namely economic capitalism system oriented to the economic freedom and capital accumulation, socialism economic system which focus on even distribution and societal prosperity, and mixed economic system is the combination of the two systems. Indonesia as a state professes mixed economic system the mean to combine the system capitalism or liberalism and socialism. Precisely, Indonesian professes democratic economic system based on philosophy of Pancasila and 1945 Indonesia Constitution and based on togetherness and mutual cooperation for Indonesian society under the government control. In a state, dynamic process of economic development is influenced by two factors, namely domestic and global factor. The influences of domestic factor are season, geography, the quality and the quantity of human resources and natural resources, and the condition of the first economy. Whereas external or global factor and the development of technology, economic condition, global politics, and security. That's all for reading my article. I hope it's useful for all of you. If there is a word error in reading this text, I apologize and to Allah I ask for forgiveness. Lastly, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.